So before my journey, I put new toughened glass for my GoPro lens. You know, the GoPro lens protector basically. It's a mandatory thing for GoPro, guys. Otherwise, you know, when the lens gets cracked, right, it's a big headache because you don't get the parts here. For everything you'll have to import from US and wait for friends to come from there. Otherwise it's a big hole in your pocket. So instead, if you use a toughened screen protector or the lens protector, it's gonna save you. Just like you wear gears for your body, you put lens cover and the screen protector for your GoPro. Damn this YouTube life, man. I feel so frustrated sometimes, but what to do? You guys are expecting a lot from me. I don't want to disappoint you. So if you notice, I'm wearing a big rucksack bag. It's my first time wearing a rucksack bag and riding, guys. I'm not used to touring at all. I don't tour on bikes actually. I just take my car out and go wherever I want to go. But bikes, I am not really that kind of a guy, but I felt like I want to test. I want to test this bike. You know, when it's a new bike and I want to know more about it, I feel like taking it on a long ride. So the first long trip I took was on my Duke 125 back in the time when I had it. I had taken it to Kannur, North Kerala, to that drive beach, Mullappilangad, I think. So after that, this is the second time I'm going on the Apache RR310. So if you expect me to take the 10RR or a bike like GSXR on touring, guys, sorry bro. It's a big mess. You have no idea. See, the thing is not with the bike. You have to wear all the gears and wear a backpack like this if you are touring, and sit on a bike like that, like the 10RR. It's hell, man. It's gonna be easy if some of my friends will come in car and I can put the luggage there and just ride, but usually that won't be the case. I'll have one or two guys riding along with me and not coming in car. So touring on big super sports, let's see. I have plans in future. I want to do that once. Let's see. Beautiful weather to be riding, guys. Not a bad way to start the year 2021. It's great that Vyattara has given this rubber wiper to wipe my helmet visor. It really works, guys. I'm still waiting for my riding pants. They're telling the stock has not arrived yet. I badly want it because I don't have any protection on my knees. It's the same mistake I did last time, you know, before my GSXR crash. I didn't have any protection on my knees. Thank God nothing happened, but still it was quite skinned off and took almost a month to heal, you know, the skin. But I don't want to put my knees to risk again. I want to get the riding pants ASAP. I'm going to tell you about the riding jacket and the pants together. Damn bro, it's rained here a lot. Good thing I got the RR310 and not my GSXR. If it was my GSXR ride, I wouldn't take the risk at all. Just park it somewhere and sleep off until the road dries and then start the journey. No ABS is like, what? Damn, the roads are truly wet. R15V3. I don't know how that guy manages every time he rides to his native, dude. So he lives in Beltangdi, Mangalore. Not exactly Mangalore, before Mangalore actually. So I know a lot of people in Beltangdi. Many of my close friends stay there. I keep visiting Mangalore at least twice a year. But last year, due to this COVID and my crash, I couldn't travel much. But I'm starting this year, 2021, traveling to Beltandi, man. Woo! He rides R15 to his native every time. I keep asking him how he manages to sit on that bike, man. It's a pain. It's not a touring bike. So if you ask me the RR310, wait for my video. So guys, jokes apart, that's what I'm here for. I want to truly test the RR310, what it's capable of and what I can do with it before I can tell you everything in detail. Damn, bro. This is not exactly rain, but it feels like rain. And a lot of water splashing because of these vehicles. Oh boy. Hope the road dries off soon. I don't want to be riding in wet roads all along, man, all the way. So I'm in 6th gear, constant 90 to 120 in that range. Boy, it's getting worse. What the hell, man? Yeah, I think it's better. So we decided to take a stop here somewhere. It's too much rain, dude.